Picture this. Your document is blank. The mouse cursor blinks like a heartbeat in a dark room. Your coffee is gone cold. You have 12 tabs open. Your notes are scattered. And 2 hours quietly swallowed. If finding topics feels like you're throwing darts in the dark and scripting turns into a 2 a.m. grind, then you've come to the right place. I will eliminate that chore feeling and convert that into a system you would be proud of. Welcome back to my second part of the entire series on how to dominate the scary horror story niche. If you missed the first video where I broke down the channel analysis to this niche, click here. Today, we're building a repeatable system. Pull relevant horror topics in minutes, then turn them into tight, bingeable scripts without spending all evening. AI will assist, not replace you. The result still sounds human. By the end of this segment, I guarantee you will always have a topic to make a video about. After that, I will provide a prompt for you so that you will always have a unique script in each video. When it comes to picking a topic, be strategic. Yes, we have AI, but it's a tool, not a fortune teller. AI can pitch slick titles, but it can't predict how a human will feel when they hear your story. That's your job. Use AI to accelerate, not to decide. Remember, you still have to apply your human touch and human skills, because it will be humans watching your YouTube channel, not AI or robots. First move, find what's trending right now. For that, we're using vidIQ. NextLev is great for deep dives analysis, but vidIQ is a better trend radar. You can try vidIQ in the link in the description down below for just $1 for 1 month. After that, you pay the regular price, but honestly, trying this out for $1 is not bad at all, especially to see how powerful this tool can be, which I will show you in a little bit. So now, go to vidIQ and click Find Trending Videos. It'll look like a familiar YouTube feed. Click the search bar and type Scary Stories. The results will be too broad, so let's narrow it. Click on Filter. You see subscribers? Set the range to around 15,000. We're filtering out the whales of the niche. Big channels already have a loyal base that skews the data. We want rising videos from smaller channels. Proof an idea works without a built-in audience. That's where you can win fast. Now, adjust the publishing date to something recent, last 3 to 6 months. We want what's trending now, what was trending a year ago or 2 years ago. For this walkthrough, I'll use 3 months. In your own research, 6 months is fine if you want a wider net. Find Publish Date. Select last 3 months or last 6 months. Apply the filter. Now you'll see current movers. I'm spotting a video posted 11 days ago with approximately 800,000 views. It's a short film. Great signal, but we won't use that format for this tutorial. More importantly, look, Untold Fears from our research pops up with approximately 132,000 views, posted just a few days ago. That's exactly the kind of momentum we want to model. Now that we've found the topics that are trending, you're going to screenshot about 12 videos. Then go to ChatGPT and write this prompt down. I will give you titles or screenshots of outlier videos I found using vidIQ's Find Outlying Videos feature, specifically within the horror stories niche. Your job is to generate spin-off topic ideas that closely follow the original video's style, theme, and format, but with a unique twist. Keep the ideas highly clickable and in the same genre. Paste your 12 screenshots or titles. Skim the ideas it returns, star the ones that jump out, and pick one to move forward with. Then you would go back on YouTube, search for your competitors, and grab at least 3 links from your competitor. Copy and paste those links into ChatGPT, and then, underneath it, copy this prompt that I'm going to give you as well, and paste it. Make sure you insert your video title into the placeholder in the prompt. That's the full loop. Find the trend, spin the angle, generate the script. Now let's move on to the next video. Click the end screen title. I'll see you there.